Are you looking for a fuel-efficient, spacious interior and generous size option to accommodate your family's needs?
The all-new Suzuki Landy 1.8G Hybrid is what you're looking for.
Suzuki has fully remodeled the new Landy, a 3-row seat minivan. Its exterior is almost the same as the Noah.
The reflective LED headlamp's hood molding is the same color as the body. Silver front grille makes an impressive design. The difference from Noah is that the Toyota emblem has been changed to the Suzuki emblem. The new Suzuki Landy offers a unique features that allow passengers to enter through the rear cabin that leads to the second and third row seats.
Its dual-powered sliding doors are well equipped with motion sensors. With a swing of your feet under the door sensors, the door opens automatically. This hands-free function is perfect when your hands are full. The all-new Suzuki Landy is built to keep you cool and comfortable.
The air conditioning has fully digitalized controls, so that rear passengers can enjoy the comfort of the perfect temperatures for their journey. Last but not least, currently we are having great promo. 10 years and 100% loan available. Free installment, free insurance, free road tax. Loan package from 0 down payment.
Lowest interest rate from 1.88%, free 10 years extended warranty and servicing, free full car accessories, 1 bid guaranteed COE, no top-ups, highest trade-in guaranteed.
Any further enquiries, welcome to Royal Motor Grandeur. We are always here for you. See you on the next video. Bye!